Welcome to FETW Insights Daily Iron Ore and Steel Updates 3rd November 2025. Hi, I'm Shruti. Let's begin with today's key updates from the iron ore and steel market. The SGX contract settled at $104.75 per ton in the noon closing hours, down by 1.31% from the previous close of 106.14. The session opened lower at 106.55 and traded within a range of $104.10 to 106.65, reflecting subdued buying interest. The downside movement was largely driven by softening Chinese steel demand amid slower construction activity and cautious sentiment following weaker industrial output data. Additionally, increased port inventories and cautious restocking by mills weighed on sentiment, while a firm US dollar added mild downside pressure on commodity-linked assets. Overall, market tone remained bearish in the short term, with participants monitoring China's policy cues and steel production trends for further direction. Turning to the Indian domestic market, the Indian domestic steel market moved downward today, with prices declining across major hubs. Trading activity remains subdued, weighed by cautious buying from traders and a slowdown in demand from end users. Overall, sentiment turned slightly bearish as market participants stayed watchful of weak fundamentals and limited restocking interest in the near term. Pellet prices in India varies between 8,300 rupee to 8,400 rupee per ton, ex-bar bill, showing a stable price. Pellet sponge trading levels around 23,100 rupee to 23,200 in Raipur, down by 250 to 300 rupees. Domestic billet trading levels in Raipur at 35,300 rupee to 35,400, down by 150 to 200 rupees. Rebar trading levels at Raipur 38,100 rupee to 38,200 for the grade Fe500, price down by 300 rupees. However, in southern India, the trading levels between rupees 43,000 to 45,500. Thank you for watching. Stay informed and stay ahead with FETW Insights. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also join our community group through the link in the description to connect and engage further.